Today, we're diving into the chilling world of cold plunges, a practice gaining popularity for its purported health benefits. But before you take the plunge, let's explore why this trend might not be the best fit for everyone, especially us fabulous women navigating our prime years. Cold plunges, also known as cold water immersion, involve submerging the body in cold water, typically between 50 degrees Fahrenheit or 10 degrees Celsius, and 60 degrees Fahrenheit or 15.5 degrees Celsius for a short period. Advocates claim benefits such as muscle recovery, enhanced circulation, and improved mood. However, for women over 40, there are specific considerations to keep in mind. First, let's talk about hormonal fluctuations. Throughout our menstrual cycle, our body's response to temperature changes can vary. During the luteal phase, which occurs after ovulation, our core body temperature naturally rises due to increased progesterone levels. Introducing cold exposure during this time might lead to heightened sensitivity to cold and could potentially disrupt our body's natural thermoregulation. Additionally, cold water immersion can trigger the body's stress response, leading to rapid breathing and increased heart rate. For individuals with certain health conditions, such as cardiovascular issues or Raynaud's phenomenon, this can pose risks. Cold exposure causes blood vessels to constrict, which can increase blood pressure and place additional strain on the heart. It's crucial for individuals with heart disease, high blood pressure, or poor circulation to consult with a healthcare provider before engaging in cold water immersion. Moreover, for pregnant women, cold water immersion is generally not recommended. It can significantly alter blood flow, potentially affecting both the mother and fetus. Always consult with a healthcare provider before attempting any form of cold therapy during pregnancy. It's also worth noting that while some studies suggest cold exposure may have benefits, the evidence is not definitive, especially regarding long-term effects. The perceived benefits might often be attributed to the placebo effect. So, what's the takeaway for us women over 40? While cold plunges might offer certain advantages, they also come with potential risks that are particularly pertinent to our demographic. It's essential to listen to our bodies, consider our unique health circumstances, and consult with healthcare professionals before incorporating such practices into our routines. Remember, wellness is a personal journey. What works for one person might not work for another. Stay informed, stay safe, and as always, age gracefully. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tips from Aging Well Hacks.